Festive decoration. And opening words. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the coronation ceremony for Master and Luminous Christy Magic of the Holidays in Priest Darren L. Castor. Flower Girls, Maxine A. M. Casoy and Ariana R. Rodriguez. Second runner-up, Mary LeRae and Carson. Escorted by Chris Matthew Lasar. And Sophia Nicole and Reyes. And Master Christmas 2023, Dear Christian L. Onyadia. Little Miss Christmas 2023, Venice